Hey, this is Jason Leek, Leek's Hot Sauce Review. And today from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, we have Feisty Parrot Hot Sauce. This comes from Tracey and David Gunn from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And I've reviewed two of their sauces before on my Facebook page. Before I started doing video reviews, I reviewed the Savage Beast and the Dominican Canary. And I gave it rave reviews because it's one of my favorite hot sauces of all time. I can't wait to try these other two new sauces they sent me. And I want to thank Tracey and Dave for sending the two new sauces they've come out with. It's Ouch and El Jefe. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm not too good at Spanish, so. But they sent both of their sauces for me to try, and I'm ecstatic because I love the first two, and I can't wait to try these two. So without further ado, we're gonna get started here and try out Ouch first, I think. And this comes from Feisty Parrot, and it's a sizzling Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. And it's got a little heat scale on here, and it's over feisty, so it's gonna be a warm sauce. It says hot from the islands. Feisty Parrot brings you an all-natural, deliciously spicy Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Contains no extracts or preservatives. This sauce is a perfect addition to everything from meat, fish, eggs, and pizza. Add a bite of sunshine to your palate. This is the Ouch. Get a good look at it there. It's got a cool label. I want to tell you a little bit about this label too. This is one of their parrots. Well, not a parrot, it's a macaw. It's one of their macaws, and this is Indigo. And he is a cool macaw. You can go to their website, feistyparrot.com, and check out all their cool sauces and check out the story about these cool macaws. Tracey and David have 3 macaws, and they are cool birds. And I can't wait to try this out. So without further ado, like I said a while ago, we're going to try this. Here we go. Excited about this. Other sauces are great. You wouldn't believe how good these other 2 sauces are. I'm going to shake this up real good. We're going to read some of the ingredients in it here. It's got apple juice, carrots, water, onion, lime juice, Scotch bonnet peppers, tequila, white wine, vinegars, garlic, salt, spices. This is a great looking sauce, I can already tell. It's got a great consistency to it, thick like the other 2 sauces. I can't wait to try it out. So here we go. Let's crack this open for Tracey and David. Oh, it's got a great smell to it. You could smell the carrots and the apple juice. It's got a real sweet, savory smell to it. Let's try some out here. I got some chips here to try it out on. And it's another thick sauce like the others were. I like that in a hot sauce. It don't run everywhere. You can put it right where you want it. That's a big old blob there. I'm going to try that out for him. And that's the Ouch with Indigo on the bottom. Cool bird. Right off the bat, I can taste the carrots. I can taste the sweetness of the apple juice. But then the heat starts building. It's got a good burn to it. It's still building. I feel it in the back of the throat more than I do on the tongue. It's not a vinegar burn. It's definitely a pepper burn. It's got a great flavor to it. I love this sauce. This is another great sauce from Feisty Parrot. This stuff will be great on anything. It reminds me of the Dominican Canary a little bit, but with more heat. Ouch is a good name. There's a story why they called it Ouch. The macaw likes to say ouch as he goes up and pecks you with his beak. And I thought that was a cool little story. And I love the stories behind each label. It's just not, they just didn't throw labels together. Just get some artwork, just throw it together and slap it on a bottle of hot sauce. There's stories behind each of these labels, and I appreciate somebody taking the time to make their hot sauce special. Alright, we're going to try out El Jefe now. El Jefe, I guess is how you say it. It's let's read about it first. Okay, it's a milder sauce. It's a smoky jalapeno mango pepper sauce. And it is below Feisty on the scale. It says the boss glided into town celebrating the fresh flavors of jalapeno, cilantro, and mango, perfectly blended with a hint of Spanish paprika and chipotle to bring you an amazing taste sensation containing no additives, preservatives, or extracts. Treat your mouth to the flavor festo. And this comes from Feisty Parrot at FeistyParrot.com. That's another cool label right there. It's awesome. Their labels are so cool. Alright, we're going to try this one out with Tracey and David. They got another good hot sauce right there with the ouch. Oh, you can really smell the mangoes and the sweetness in this sauce. I smell cilantro. You get a real good hint of cilantro. Oh, I can't wait to try this one out too. That is a very good sauce. This sauce right here takes you to an island somewhere when you taste it. It tastes like it comes from the Caribbean. That is a great sauce. It tastes like it comes straight from the Caribbean. Like you're on an island somewhere. This is great. I love a sauce that when you take a bite of it, it reminds you of some place, some time. It gives you just a hint of where it came from. That is so good. It tastes like it comes from the islands. El Jefe, if I'm saying it right, is a great sauce. They hit the ball out of the park with both these sauces again. On heat, I would give ouch an 8 out of 10. It's got some major built-in heat. It's a good sauce. I'm glad David come up with a little spicier sauce there. Because I like heat, but I also like flavor. It's got a good flavor. On flavor, I give it another 8 out of 10. It's got great, maybe a 9 out of 10. A strong 9 out of 10. Because this stuff tastes good. It just don't give you heat. It gives you flavor and heat. And the El Jefe here, we're going to give him 4 on heat. This is not much on hot sauce. It's got jalapenos in it, which are not very hot. Up to a true chili head like me, but for someone that's not used to it, it would be a good sauce for a milder taste palate. This is a great sauce. It tastes like I said, like it comes from the islands. It takes your taste buds on a vacation when you try this sauce. I love this sauce. This is great. I love both these sauces. I give them a strong 8 out of 10 overall. These are great sauces. These are some of my favorite sauces I've ever reviewed. And I want to thank Tracey and David for sending them in for Leek to review. And I'm telling you right now, folks, please go out and get some of this sauce. You won't believe what it tastes like. This stuff is so good. You can get this sauce at FeistyParrot.com And I'm telling you, please, folks, go get some of this stuff today. This is Leek with Leek's Hot Sauce Review telling you, wow, Feisty Parrot is the way to go. Thanks.